Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So again, this is Lizelle and for today is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung aking stir-fried chicken with ready-made satay sauce. Okay? So, tara! Alright, so I'm always choosing the most affordable ingredients that I have. So, I have here the chicken, 3/4 breast chicken, and chinap po na siya ng medium size. And then I have also broccoli, and then one big size white onion, and then the capsicum, the red capsicum, alright? And then I'm using also peanut butter, and gagamit lang tayo ng mga 2 spoon nito. At saka yung ating recipe-based na satay sauce from Masterfood. Okay? And then let's heat some oil. You can just use 2 spoon of oil. And then once ready na yung oil, is ilagay na natin yung ating chicken. So, mga 3 to 5 minutes yung chicken natin para maging ganito yung look niya. And then it will take, if kulang pa, you can just add more time. And then, once ready na yung chicken natin, is pwede na natin ilagay yung ating mga veggies. So, again, ilagay yung broccoli, yung ating white onion, at saka yung ating capsicum. And then, stir, or if mix lang natin siya well. And then, after mo mix lahat, is pwede na natin siyang takpan for about 3 to 5 minutes again, hanggang maging halfly cooked yung ating gulay. And then, once ready, is ilagay na natin yung ating ready-made na satay sauce. Okay? So, after is pwede na natin ilagay yung ating peanut butter, and at this time is gumamit ako ng mga 2 tablespoons ng peanut butter, and nilagay ko na din yung water na 1/4 cup, and then takpan mo lang siya ng about 2 to 3 minutes hanggang mag-boil siya at saka maging ganito yung look niya. And then, ready na siya. Ready na siya i-serve! So, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And, thank you so much. And see you on my next one. Bye!